So I'm told the NOBLE10 chain has been through some of the most stringent testing here at Nobles. Let's meet Operations Manager Dan to put this chain to the test, Biggie style. Dan, nice to meet you. I'm gonna be a little bit biased here and say I think you have the coolest job in the whole Nobles plant. I like lifting heavy stuff myself. Can you tell me what your job is here?
Absolutely. Yes, I'm the operations manager here at Nobles, and my function mainly is to start with to receipt in the stock, but also to test to make sure that it's compliant with what we need to use it for, and then also manufacture it into chain assemblies and as such for customers' functions.
The NOBLE10 chain has 25% more strength than the grade 80 chain. How do you go about testing it?
So the best way we test that is we're using these test beds. Simply, we just put them in the test bed and we stretch them beyond their length of capacity to breaking point. From that, we calculate just how strong they are and fit for purpose for each function. We test up to 1,000 tonnes, so we're talking some big weight. Most commonly about 150 tonne, which is something a unit like this would do.
What is it about testing the rigging equipment and the lifting equipment that you are so passionate about?
I think the safety aspect of it is probably what the biggest thing for us is, offering a really safe and viable solution for our customers. Many different diverse solutions, but something that they can work with and is fit for their purpose.
So Dan, why do you think the NOBLE10 chain is a game changer for Nobles customers?
I think the NOBLE10 chain gives us an option now of a really high quality chain at a really good price. Therefore, it's really competitive amongst the market.
Well, Dan, I know what I'll be using next time when I pull a plane.